Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this lecture we are going to learn how to draw square root of any decimal value 9.3, 3.5, 4.7, anything. So I'll take the illustration with 9.3 only. Okay, very famous as a question. Square root of 9.3. Okay, let's draw the number line first of all. So the number line, and we need the scale. First of all, mark a point of 9.3. Okay, so that's my 9.3, and then 1 centimeter more than 9.3, that means 10.3. These 2 points needs to be marked. Okay, scale work is done. Let's name the point A, B, C. AB is our 9.3, BC is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter always, that's fixed, that's you need to draw extra. Now what you need to do is, first step is draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. In order to do that, just open your compass more than half of AC, anything more than half. Okay, and then let's lock it and let's start marking the arcs. So one arc like this, one arc below, same way on this side also, one arc like this, and one arc below. Okay, join them. So we get ourselves a perpendicular bisector. Let's call this point as O, this point, and keep your compass at O. Oh, the tool is too fast. Okay, and measure OC. If you measure OC or OA, effectively you need to draw a semicircle like that. Okay, a perfect semicircle. Now once you have drawn this, what you need is to draw a 90 degree on this point B. Okay, so I hope everyone knows how to draw 90 degree on that. So you can actually, for the exam, you have to draw it using your compass, but the tool is slightly tricky here. So I hope everyone knows how to draw 90 degree using the arcs. You draw a semicircle, cut, two cuts of equal size, and then again 2 cuts on top. That gives you 90 degrees. So I'm directly drawing a 90 degree here. Okay, it cuts the semicircle at some point. That point is R, let's say ABC. So let's call this as D. Okay, now you need to take this BD measurement. So keep your compass at B and measure BD. This value is actually 9.3, but we want this to be on the number line, so we need to get it horizontal. So in order to do that, trace it down. Once it cuts the number line, that point, let's call this as E, and this BE is equal to your square root of 9.3. Okay, I'll go through the step one more time quickly. First, draw the number line. Second, make the measurement of whatever the value is given, 9.3. So make a measurement of 9.3 and then 1 centimeter more than that, marking the points as A, B, C. First of all, take AC, which is 10.3, make a perpendicular bisector. Okay, then this point, center point, is O. So for keep the compass at O, measure OA or OC and draw a semicircle, and then create a 90 degree using your compass. Again, I have drawn directly, you have to draw using your compass. Draw a 90 degree, it will cut the previous semicircle, and that point will be D. This BD is 9.3, but we want the number root 9.3 on the horizontal line on the number line. So just keep your compass at B, measure BD and trace it down on the number line. That point will be E, and BE or BD basically is 9.3, square root of 9.3. all right, I hope this is clear to everyone. Very easy step. Go through the video if you are not clear about this. Watch as many times as you want. Practice. Main thing is you try to practice with the video itself. All right, that's it for this lecture. Good day everyone. Bye.